Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to computer class. Here is chapter number 1, computer a machine, and I come here with your next part of this chapter. I hope part 1 video you all watch and get what I want to explain. So here is a last part of chapter number 1, and I'm going to send PDF file also with this video so that you can complete your exercise in your textbook. So let's begin. What we have to learn in this chapter. So chapter is computer a machine. In this chapter I'm going to explain you where computer uses computer uses in different fields and how it used in that fields. So this part is for uses of computer in different fields and types of computer. So children, you must have seen computer at many places. They are used in almost all fields of life. Means each and everywhere you see computer system. Where computer used, they are used in almost each and every places or fields of our life. So where you seen it? First is in our home. First is in our home, which is best example for using computer. In your house, how you use computer system? So computer is used to watch movie and listening songs. It is not like that you can watch movies and songs, listening songs on a TV only. You can watch movies and listen songs in a computer also. Searching information on any topic. With the help of computer system, you can search any information. Playing games. Yes, it is the best example that why you use computer system. You small kids, you all are use computer system for playing games and in doing homework. Right now in a pandemic situation, you all use computer system and mobile phones. Okay, why we use this computer system and mobile phone? For doing our homework, for learning the lessons of different subjects, right? So this all work, this all purpose computer use in our house or in our home. Okay, now next is in your schools. So computer used in your schools. Yes, obviously in your school there is a computer lab. Okay, and there are so many computers in the lab, right? And why we use in the school computers? So keeping records of books and help teacher for teaching in school. Yes, it is helpful to teachers for teaching to you all students. Keeping books, records of books, and help for creating a question papers and mark sheet and everything. Making a timetable, report cards, library, right? For making a timetable of your school, daily task, daily timetable you can create in computer system. Even report card also created in computer system only. Doing practical work in lab. Yes, your computer teachers take you in a computer lab for doing a practical work like doing painting, writing, typing, and everything. You can do practical work in a lab. And why computer is used there? For help to it help to draw and color in a computer lab. So for this purpose computer is used in a school. Now next is shops and offices. Why computer is used in shops and offices? So keeping records of item, that how many items is available in shops. Typing and printing bills. Yes, you all watch in a big bazaar and in D-Mart and everywhere that computer is used for creating or typing a and printing a bill, right? And in office, why it is used? For sending and receiving messages in office. So this purpose computer is used in shops and offices. Now let's see. Next, computer is used in hospitals. Do you know why computer is used in hospitals? So let's see. Keeping records of patients. That now it is advanced hospitals here. And every hospitals have a computer in at a receptionist place table. Why? because keeping records of the patients who come today, how many patients come in hospital today, that all things means keeping records of patients. Preparing medical report and x-rays, etc. You go for x-rays or in a sonography or any purpose, that all report can be created with the help of computer system. Knowing more about disease and their causes, with the help of computer system we can know more about disease and their cause. So this way computer is used in hospitals. Now next, where computer is used? Computer is used in banks. Why? For which purpose computer is used in banks? So let's see why computer is used in banks. So keeping the records of our account, each and every in bank, whenever you go in bank with your friends next time, just observe that there are so many computers in employees table, right? What they all do, they all keep records of all account holders, name, address, phone number, etc. That all things keeping record in a computer system only. And taking out money from ATMs, whenever next time you also go with your parents at ATM, that is also computer is keeping there, so you can withdraw money using that computer system. So in banks, this two purpose computer is used. Let's see, next is designing. Why designing? So you can design clothes, car, machine, buildings with the help of computer system. Okay, so you can design this all models with the help of computer. Designing and printing books, newspapers, magazine, etc. What you can design? You can design your books, means whoever designing your textbooks and everything, it is designed on computer system only. Newspaper, daily in some students house newspaper comes, right? So that newspaper is also designed on a computer system. Now making cartoon films and animated movies, you all are watch cartoon and animated movies in your in your TV, right? They all are designed with the help of computer system. So this way computer is used for designing so many things. With the help of computer you can design so many things with. So next is where computer is used. So computer is used at railway stations and airports. For which purpose on a railway station and airport computer is used? So booking train and air ticket, you use computer system directly on a computer system. With the help of internet connection you can book train ticket and air tickets without going on a railway station or airport. So there also computer is used. Keeping record of all the passengers, how many how many passengers reserve the tickets of air or railway, means train, that all records kept in a computer system only. Giving information about arrival and departure time of trains and airplanes, it with the help of computer only, it gives you information about arrival and a departure time of trains and aeroplanes. Now next, space research and defense. Why it's in a space research and defense center computer is used? So finding information about the space, you want to find out information about the space, you can find it out on the computer system. Sending rockets into space, we can send rockets into space with the help of computer only, because no one is sitting in a rocket, no human being, no person sitting into it. It's all operate with the help of computer system only. Okay, helping the military to make security weapons. What military means army persons, that help army to make security weapons. And this way space research center and defense places use computer system. Now next, learning new skills. You use computer system for learning new skills. How? So let's see. learning how to drive a car and fly an aeroplane. You are new driver, you want to learn driving, you want to learn to fly aeroplanes, so that all training giving to you on a computer system only. That type of computer is made like that you are flying your aeroplane or driving a car. That all thing on a computer system, that all technique you can learn on a computer system. Learning different languages, cooking, etc. You can search anything about new recipes for cooking, new different languages with the help of computer system. So this way you can learn new skills with the help of computer system. So understood, students, that where in which fields computer is used? In your homes, schools, banks, shops and offices, railway stations and airports, then space research and defense center, for designing and for learning a new skills. This all field computer is used. Now let's see types of computer. There are different types of computer. So computer come in a many shapes and in size, and we can classify it into different types of computer in using shapes and sizes. Let's see. The first type of computer is desktop computer. This desktop computer is available, you all see in computer lab, right? So this is a desktop computer, and desktop computers are big in size. It is big in size. You must have to keep it on a desk only. You cannot move it from one place to other place wherever you sit, right? So you must have to keep it on the desktop of the desk, and this is big in size, and that's why it is called desktop computer. What desktop computer do? See, I told you right now, they are kept on a desk, just like you can see in a picture that how it's keeping at the one place only. You have to keep it. Okay, so they kept it on a desk. Now second type of computer is laptop computer. Laptop computer is small in a size, and even you can be kept it on our lap. Okay, you can kept it on your lap wherever you sit. You can carry it with yourself, and you can keep it anywhere. Okay, even on your lap also, because it is small in size and portable. Now a laptop computer can be carried around easily, even in your school bag also. You can carry it with you. Okay, so laptop computer can be carried around easily because of lightweight. Now students, this is a picture of tablet computer. Tablet computer is larger than the mobile phone. It is same as a mobile phone, but it is larger than the mobile phone. Okay, why it is used and how it works? So a tablet computer, it has a touch screen, just like your mobile phone. You all know how to use mobile phone. That you all have a mobile phone with touch screen, just like that. All tablet computer also has a touch screen, on which we can write using a special purpose pen. You can see in a picture there is a special purpose pen, and with the help of that pen you can write in a tablet computer, because there is no keyboard or mouse with tablet computer. So how you can write in it? With the help of special type of pen or special purpose pen. Now last type of computer is a smartphone. You all are aware with smartphone. Smartphone is a mobile phone that lets you make calls, send messages and store phone numbers. What you can do with the help of smartphone? You can make you calls, send messages and store phone numbers. Even you can play games, surf any information in a mobile phone also. So this all purpose mobile phone is used, and mobile phone is a one kind of computer. So how many types of computers are there? 4 types of computer. First is desktop computer, second is laptop computer, third tablet computer, and fourth mobile phone or a smartphone. Clear everyone? I hope this chapter clear to you. The whole chapter over in this part. Now in the next video you can uh, I will come with a new chapter, which is chapter number 2, and I will explain you more interesting thing than this chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye everyone.